Once both sides have presented all of their arguments and evidence, the judge will make a decision. The judge may give an oral ruling right away. This is called giving a decision from the bench. Alternatively, the judge may want to think about it some more. This is called taking the case under advisement. In both types of decision, the judge will sign a written order and send it to the parties at a later date. Let's look at an example of the judge making a decision from the bench.
It's now time for me to make my decision in this case. What's clear from the evidence I've heard is that Karen is very lucky to have two parents who love her very much. In addition, notwithstanding your differences, you've really made an effort to communicate about what's in her best interest. Therefore, I do find that it's appropriate to award joint legal custody to both of you. When deciding the physical custody arrangements, I must do so by deciding what is in Karen's best interest. To do so, I must consider certain factors set out in statute and case law. The factors that I find most important, and the evidence that I find most important in this case, is the fact that both of you consume alcohol to excess. In order to meet Karen's best interests, I find that an order must include a provision that prohibits both of you from consuming any alcohol while you're caring for Karen or within 6 hours of her being in your custody. In deciding if Karen should live with her father or her mother, I find that it's important for Karen to live with both of you. She's been used to living with both of you for the first 8 years of her life, and it's important for her to have that continuity. Having said that, I recognize that it's really not possible for her to live with both of you since you're getting a divorce. And because Karen's dad travels a lot and is gone for weeks at a time, it's impossible to have a more regular custody and visitation schedule. Notwithstanding that, I think it's important that Karen spend as much time as possible with her father when he's in town, because he's more structured and is able to provide the structure she needs so she can succeed in school. When her father's out of town, I find that she should live with her mother because her mother is an important part of her life, and her mother can provide the emotional needs, can provide for her emotional needs, and also can help her with any medical needs that she may have.